Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the break statement. Okay, so basically what the break statement does is prematurely let you exit loops. So it could be a for loop, a while loop, or any other kind of loop. Okay, so let me just show you what I mean by that. So let's say we have a for loop. I'll just show you. So for, and then we initialize an index I 0. So I is less than 5, so that means it will run from 0 up until 4. Okay, so I plus plus. Okay, so basically this will keep running up until I is no longer less than 5. That is, when I is equal to 5, then this loop will break. But let's say for some reason you want to say if I equal to 2, you want to break out of this loop. And what do I mean by break is you want to exit this loop, just not when this condition becomes false, but at your own saying. So let me just echo this out just so we know where it breaks out of. So echo I, this should echo to us when I is equal to 0 and 1. So when it's equal to 2, it should break out of this loop. So back in our browser, when I refresh, as you can see, we have only 0, 1, and 2 outputted. So when the index is 2, it outputs the index, then it checks if index is 2, then it exits the loop. Okay, so that's how you use the break statement, and the same applies for a while as well. So I'll just do that quickly. So we'll just say I equal to 0. Let's just comment these out. Remember, in a while loop you have to declare your conditional outside, because it doesn't have all those declarations like the for loop. So we'll say while I is less than 5. In here we'll keep incrementing I plus plus, and we'll say echo I. So I'll just show you what happens before we add the break loop. So this will echo from 0 up until 4. Okay, so refresh this. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I add the break statement there to say if I is equal to 2, then break out of it. That means do not print like 3 and the rest. Okay, so I refresh. As you can see, it just prints out from 0 to 2 and not when after it has been more than 2. Okay, so so that's how you use the break statement basically. And there are a few circumstances where you do need to use it. I have realized from experience that not a lot of time. If you notice that you're using a lot of break statements, then you might have to think about your code structure. But as of now, just know that it exists and it's there for your using. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I thank you for watching, and as usual, if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments below. Well, actually not in the comments below, on my website forum, because as I said earlier on, it's pretty hard to answer questions in the comments. But if it's just a one-liner as to, like for example, what text editor you're using, that sort of stuff, then yeah, just ask on YouTube. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Cheers, bye bye.